Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair using the LOC kit from Pydana collection. Stay tuned. So I'm starting off with the avocado leave-in conditioner. This lightweight leave-in conditioner replenishes moisture, detangles, and adds shine. Next, I'm going in with the Luscious Locks hair oil with argan, and I'm using this to lock in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner. For styling, I'm going to be using the 3-in-1 Intensive Moisturizer, which revitalizes dry, damaged hair. It improves manageability, and it adds body and shine. So the style that I'm doing today is a PermRod set, and I am working in medium section. I'm detangling my hair, making sure that the products are evenly distributed before applying the PermRod. I'm just going to be repeating these same steps throughout my hair. So for this style, I did decide to go with a FroHawk look. So I have pinned back my sides, and I am doing the perm rods in the front going forward. Going to do a row going to the side, and then the back, I am going to roll going backwards. So now that my hair is all rolled up, I am going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes and then let the rest air dry overnight. So here we are the next day and ready for the takedown, and let's see what we have. Bounce, shine, moisture. Definitely not surprised. So now that the rollers are all out, I am going to go in with a little bit of the oil to coat my hands and fingers to prevent any unnecessary frizz. So I'm just going through and stretching each one of the curls before separating. And these curls look amazing, if I may say so myself. So now I'm going to go in just to separate the curls about 4 to 5 times, depending on how large the section is. So here is my final look using the LOC kit from Pydana collection. Definitely loving these results. I will leave the information to where you can purchase these products in the description box, as well as my discount code. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.